Hey, this is Jennifer Heyer with Early Learning Ideas, and I'm going to show you how to make custom name cards for your word wall. I'm so excited to tell you that I've updated the file and it's now easier than ever. There's no more cut and paste. You can simply input the photos into the file and print. Speaking of photos, you'll want to go ahead and prepare by taking pictures of all your kiddos, and square pictures work the best. So like I use an iPhone, and there is an option to take a square picture. You can do that, or you can edit the picture after the fact to make it square. Make sure that the photos are available to you on your computer, so you can maybe put them in a Dropbox or just transfer them over to a file on your computer so you have them and they're ready to go. To make sure that the file works correctly, please make sure that you're using Adobe Acrobat Reader. 99.9% of the time, if people tell me they're having a problem with a file, it's because they're not using Adobe Acrobat Reader. And open the file within the program. So open Reader first, go to File, Open. The file should be saved on your computer. Go ahead and open it, and then it should work okay. I am going to scroll through the document. Today I'm going to make name cards with black borders, so that's the document that I've selected. I go to this form, and this is a form where you can start inputting the names of all of the kiddos in your roster. So I'm just going to do a few of them here. You type a name in, and then you go ahead and hit Tab to scroll down to the next one. So let me do 4 names here, and that will show you one complete name card. Oh, okay, but there is room for 28 names here, so you can use all the kids on your roster. And then after you type them into that form, they're going to be transferred throughout the document to the name cards. And don't worry about these blue rectangles, because that isn't going to print. And every once in a while somebody will say, hey, my fonts aren't working correctly. It's not a ball and a bat A, it's a typewriter A. What's going on? Well, you know what? Those people, come to find out, are not using Adobe Acrobat Reader, and that's why the fonts aren't working correctly. So if your fonts don't look like this, you're probably not using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Go to the troubleshooting section on the file and download Reader. It's free, and use that. Now you can input the photographs. So you go to this little icon right here and click it, and when you do that, a browser box will open. Go ahead and click Browse, and then go to the file on your computer where you have the photos stored. So I have my photos right here, and all these kiddos have been edited. All these photos have been edited so that they're square. And let me load them in here. I click Browse, and if I double click on the image, ta-da, it shows up. Pretty cool. Clint, and one more. Okay, so now that this one is complete, I can go ahead and print it. This is page 7. And good to go. So then I can print it, laminate it, cut it out, and use it on my word wall or all throughout my room. So hopefully this helps you out, and if you have any problems with the document, let me know. Thanks.